Okay, so I got your video, your question on question 19. So if I look at 19, here it is. And it's just draw a polygon with the given coordinates in a coordinate plane. One side is drawn for you, a rectangle with a perimeter of 18 inches. So this is 1, 2, 3 right there. So I have 3. So that means my other side would have to be 3. So let's just hypothetically say that I have my other 3 right here, so then that would be 6. So that's left with 12 units left. So I need 6 on both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6, and then connect these, so that's 6. So if I have a perimeter all around the outside, I have to have 18. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 18. So that's perimeter. I don't think you're talking about this one. So when I go to the one I think you're talking about, which is 24. And this happens to be, I drew it up here. That shape will happen to be something looking like this blue shape right up here. And you're right, we don't know area pentagons, but what it wants you to do is break this up into one rectangle and one triangle, and then add both those areas together. So I don't know if you can see my mouse, but you're going to break it up into one rectangle and one triangle and figure out the area from there. And then I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, if it helps or not. I can also record a video of me actually doing the problem, but I wanted to give you a chance to do it yourself.